Hey, welcome to another welcome to another episode of Just a Pinch. I've forgotten something. You can't decide what to make for dinner, right? And you're going through a list of takeaway menus. But the one that sort of comes up quite a lot is Thai green curry. I'm going to show you how to make restaurant quality Thai green curry. We're going to be making the paste from scratch. You'll never ever want to order takeaway again. It's expensive, it's inconvenient. It's actually very convenient. This is inconvenient. It's expensive. It tastes flippin' nice. Maybe you should just order it. This is a cheap way of making Thai green curry. Pungent, hot, spicy, creamy, hot, spicy.
I hope you like pain.
You're gonna need all of these ingredients. Jokes. Stick with me, right? There is a lot of ingredients here. Green chili, hot, spicy. Tender stem broccoli. You can use peas, beans, sugar snap, it doesn't matter. Chicken breast, fillet, fresh lemongrass, lime, ginger, half a white onion, 2 cloves of garlic, cumin, coriander seeds, oyster sauce or fish sauce. I don't like seafood, so I'm gonna go and use a light soy sauce, can of coconut milk, kefir lime leaves, fresh coriander. You're also gonna need olive oil and seasoning. Next step is to basically put all of this into a blender and turn that into a paste. So I'm gonna start with the green chilies. Cut them in half, de-seed and de-stem them. That's where most of the heat is gonna come from. Woo! Important tip here. Once you've handled chilies, make sure that you wash your hands. Don't touch your eyes or your balls in between. Otherwise, you'll be fucked.
Let's do this shit. Ah! Ma! Stop it. It's not funny.
I told him not to eat it.
Quiz time. In the comment section below, write down what you think is the answer. What is the unit of measurement for chilies? Good luck. Next, we're gonna go in with some ginger. Take a spoon and peel off the outer skin. We're gonna go in with half a white onion. These are kefir lime leaves, 8 of these. This is lemongrass. Top and tail him. Take off the outer layer. 2 cloves of garlic. Take your skins off. Whole coriander seeds, 3 teaspoons. Cumin seeds, 2.5 teaspoons. About half a bunch of fresh coriander. Keep the stems in. Zest of 1 lime. You know what that smells like? Tequila. Chop them in half. Honestly, I don't know how TV chefs make squeezing a lime look so easy. Bloody hard. Two teaspoons of light soy sauce, a really good glug of olive oil. Now you want to blend the absolute fuck out of this. Yo! We're gonna season it now. Quite a bit of salt and black pepper. Look how beautiful that color is. Yo! Yo! This is gonna be amazing. So whilst my pot is heating up, I'm gonna chop up the chicken into, chop it however the hell you want. Doesn't really matter, to be honest. Actually, you know what? Whilst I have your attention, one of the benefits of making your own paste, the flavors are way more fresh and more vibrant. And here's the kicker. The store-bought stuff that you buy in little jars, it's not fresh. It's full of sodium and preservatives and all sorts of other things that are not necessarily healthy for you. They meant a longer shelf life. This, guys, it was so easy. We bought the ingredients, we put it in a blender, and we whiz them up, and that's it. And we're going to get the freshest, most vibrant Thai green curry. Good point, Simon. I'm going to bang this with some olive oil. Take that off the heat. We're going to set this fucking house on fire again. Hey guys, remember when I nearly burnt the house down? If you haven't seen that video, go back and have a look. 2 heaped tablespoons. Let's chuck in another one. Make sure you cook it off. Whole can of coconut milk. Oh wow. I'm not even playing games yet, Oaks. Alright, it's just starting to boil. We brought it up to temperature. Now time to add our chicken in. Now we just gotta wait for the chicken to cook. It'll be about 15 to 20 minutes. And then about 2 minutes before it's done, we're gonna add those tender stem broccoli, then serve it with some rice. I'm not gonna show you how to cook rice. Wash your rice. Use 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, bring it to the boil, turn it down, let it steam, fluff it up. Rice, done. 2 recipes for the price of 1. Also, it deserves a share. If you like this video, comment, like, share, subscribe, get the notification on. And that's it. That is a Thai green curry.
You know how nice this is.
No, I don't know how nice it is because I'm waiting for you to stop building.
It's so good. Why would you ever order a takeaway ever again?
All the shit you feed me.
Is this thing still rolling? Think you're funny, huh?